Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with your Windows Store apps, like they're not opening or crashing frequently, don't worry. I've got a quick and easy solution for you using a simple PowerShell command. Press Windows and X key together. Click on Windows Terminal Admin. Once PowerShell is open, you will need to enter a command that re-registers all the built-in Windows Store apps for all users. This can help resolve any issues you're experiencing with these apps. Here's the command: Get-AppXPackage all users. For each Add-AppxPackage, disable development mode register $_install location \appxmanifest.xml. Let's break down what this command does. The first part, Get-AppXPackage all users, retrieves all the apps packages installed for all users on your system. The for each loop then goes through each package found and re-registers it using the Add-AppxPackage complet. The disable development mode parameter ensures that the app is not registered in development mode, and the final part, $_install location \appxmanifest.xml, specifies the location of the manifest file required for re-registration. Go ahead and copy the command from the video description below. Paste it into PowerShell and hit enter. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the command is finished running, try opening your Windows Store apps again. They should now be working smoothly. And that's it, a simple PowerShell command to fix your Windows Store apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and bye-bye.